So this is the location where I put the tumble dryer. I just have to bring it out so that I could make the video. This usually goes outside the window for ventilation. So now, when you turn it on, as you can see, it's not responsive, even though the plug is on. As at yesterday when I made the complaint, you could hear the humming sound, but for some reasons whatsoever, there's no sound whatsoever now. But it's actually not responsive. It's just a deadlock machine. Nothing, either wherever you put it, air dry, off, cool, nothing seems to be working. And as you can see, there's a cloth inside just to test run it. Nothing. This was bought July. It got delivered to us I think first week of August. So this is barely 2 months of using it. Thank you.